bacon cheeseburger.
What?
Yeah!
I'm gonna go American cheese sauce and smoked chili and honey glazed bacon. This is a Beat Bobby Flay exclusive. Could go on the Bobby's Burger Palace menu, though. So I'm pickling some cucumbers, red onions, and some Fresno chilies. I want some crunch and I want some acidity as well. I'm pickling them in grenadine and red wine vinegar, my usual solution. I'm using short rib, hanger steak, and ground chuck. These are all flavorful, and some of them have extra fat in them, which is good. I want different textures running through it.
Hey, Bobby.
Yeah.
We're gonna feel really bad if you lose.
I can
Not
tell.
really. Ha!
Now, Bobby is just using a classic ground beef blend. That may just hold together a little bit better. So you formed your patties, super seedy bun. I like the little hollowing out of the buns. The little things, right? Are you gonna butter your buns and toast them or no?
Toasting them.
Just toast it? All right, you went for the thin cut.
It's thin, thick.
Okay.
The glaze for the bacon is chipotle, Dijon mustard, and honey. I'm bringing in some of the smokiness and the sweetness to permeate the burger itself.
Bobby's going very classic. He's got American cheese, pickled shallots, the burger, the bun. We'll see you later.
Who doesn't want American cheese in their burger? Seriously. So I'm making an American cheese sauce with flour and butter, milk, and tons of American cheese. For the burger, I season them with salt and pepper on both sides, and I season on one side with coriander, paprika, New Mexico chili, cumin. I just want one side so that you can taste the meat itself. Spice them upside down, and I give it a really good crust.
Bobby had like a little dimple press in the center of his burgers.
Right.
When you cook the burger, it doesn't lift up or anything. It settles, so you get that hard sear all over.
It's time to plate. Toasted bun on the bottom. The burger is ready.
They look over-seared to me.
A little bit. It may look over-seared because he did a little blackening on some of it.
Ooh, look at that.
And I put some of the cheese sauce, and I still have like a little well in the thumbprint, so it actually is holding the cheese sauce really nicely.
That looks good. Damn it!
And then I put a couple of slices of bacon across.
Bobby.
Stop it,
Crap.
Bobby!
Stop making
it!
it look so good.
Then the pickled cucumbers, Fresno chilies, and red onions on top.
Oh,
I'm so sorry,
You
guys.
guys see this?
But it's really hard work down here. We earned this. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
They're very similar. We'll see. It all depends on how, like, the judges want their burgers cooked. Nobody gave us an order. I'll take mine medium rare, you know?